Open the App Store or Google Play, search for Yinergy Cloud, and download Yinergy Cloud App. Tap Register Account. Personal users can register directly. Enterprise users must contact Yinergy to register. Select the site. Choose China site or global site. Select the registration method. For email registration, enter your email. Retrieve and enter the verification code. Set a password 8. Confirm the password, check for errors or missing fields. Agree to the terms, then tap Register Now. Tap back to login. Enter your registered account and password. Tap Login. Agree to the terms. Registration and login completed successfully. Enter the My page and tap Organization. Tap Internal Structure. Tap Add Subordinate Organization. Before adding a member, create a subordinate organization first. Enter the organization name and responsible person. If it's a new user, a password is required. Tap Create Organization to complete the creation. Tap Add Member. You can view the parent department of the new member. Select the role, enter the account and password. The newly added member will be displayed in the list. Tap the plus icon to create a new plant. Select the plant type. Enter the plant name. The plant address and coordinates will be autofilled based on your phone's GPS. Check if the information is correct. Please check if the time zone and currency unit are correct. Select the system type. Enter the installed capacity, storage power, and storage capacity. Review all details. If correct, tap Create Plant. After creating the plant, tap Add a dongle. On this page, you can check whether other dongles are already linked to the plant. Tap Add, then select the dongle type. Then you can scan the code to autofill, or enter it manually. Check the autofilled SN matches the device SN. If correct, tap Save. Added successfully. Tap WLAN Configuration Network. Select the dongle type. Scan and add the communication dongles SN. Connect to a 2.4G Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Connect to the communication dongles network. The default password is 12345678. Start configuration. Complete the configuration. Check the status of the dongle and the inverter. Tap Services, then select Wi-Fi Diagnosis. Select the dongle type. Select the dongle. After connecting the device network, tap Next Step. Tap Diagnosis. View the overview or check each stage for errors. View plant detail data. View the alarm list. View the device list. View device details. View specific device settings. Tap Read. After reading, you can modify the data. Some parameter settings require a password to access. The default password is 111111. After reading, you can modify settings or directly modify them without reading. Adjust data settings according to your needs. In the plant details, click the Info tab to configure the tariff. Select the type and date, then configure a custom tariff. Select the tariff type, then configure the time of use tariff. After the time of use tariff covers 24 hours, tap Save. Review the time of use and tariff, then edit again if needed. When editing again, make sure the time of use still covers 24 hours. After the plant is created, tap Add Authorization to grant. Select the organization where the authorized user belongs, personal user or enterprise user. Tap Existing Account. Use fuzzy search by entering the account name. Select the authorization scope. Tap Add. Confirm the addition. Tap Complete and enter the plant to check whether authorization has been granted. Tap Services, then select Local Mode. Connect to the dongle Wi-Fi and enter the default password, 12345678. Once connected, tap Next Step. Enter the local mode, tap Set. Select the item you want to configure. Tap Battery Setting to enter the detail page. Select battery brand, type. Tap Read to get the current data, or modify it, and tap Set to save. Tap Meter Settings to enter the meter detail page. Select meter type, tap Read to get the current data, or modify it, and tap Set to save. Tap Work Mode setting to enter the detail page. Select Work Mode, tap Read to get the current data, or modify it, and tap Set to save. Select Inverter Setting. Set inverter time, tap Read to get the current data, or modify it, and tap Set to save.